Okay, so you can see right now we're idling right around 1200. It skips around a little bit, but I think there's just some interference in the wiring. So at idle, I'm running 13.2, which is really healthy. It's a homemade wiring harness. And then when I go to the low beam, I'll put a 55 watt load on it, and that switches the alternator output to full output. So let's go ahead and turn that on. So it's pretty healthy headlight. Oh, you probably can't see very much from here. But you see now all of a sudden my voltage has dropped down to 12.4, 12.3. So it's running the battery down right now. Let's give it a little bit more gas. Okay, so if I get up to 2500 RPM, I get up above battery voltage. 13.5 is where it should be to charge. 13.7. You never want to see it over 14.1. So let's go to the high beam. So with the high beam now, you can see I'm still charging, but not nearly as much. So it's something to watch. At the riding speeds, it should be okay, but that's a nice bright headlight, especially on one of these old twins. Okay, well, it's fun riding this old girl. And you can see, so it was at, the odometer was at 174 miles when I put it on. So I'm about 80 miles away from hitting the first 2,000, so it's ready for its second oil change now. Okay, time to put her away.